Rinse 1 cup of white chickpeas in water. Soak the white chickpeas in 2 cups of water overnight. Next day, drain the water. Add the chickpeas along with the 3 cups of water in a pressure cooker for 15 to 20 minutes, 10 to 12 whistles. To make paste, we need 1 cup of chopped onion, goes in the blender, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, garlic, ginger, green chilies, goes in with it. Add 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves, 1 aniseed, 5 peppercorns and 2 green cardamoms. Saute till they are fragrant. Now we are adding the paste to the hot oil and cook until it's golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. By this time your neighbor is going to know you are cooking something amazing. Add boiled chickpeas and half a cup of water into the pan. Simmer it for 4 to 5 minutes. Mash a few chickpeas to thicken the gravy. The chole is ready. Now we're going to show you how to make bhatura dough. In a bowl, mix 2 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon semolina, 1 tablespoon sugar, salt to taste, about half a teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon oil and 1 cup of yogurt. Knead to a soft dough. Use water if required. Pinch medium-sized balls from the dough. Place the dough on your work surface. Use a rolling pin to make a round shape. Drop the rolled dough in a hot oil. Fry on both sides till puffed and golden brown. The bhatura is ready to be served with chickpeas. Garnish the chickpeas with coriander, slices of onions and a lemon wedge. Everyone's going to love this.
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!